Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to read part 3 from chapter number 2, pages 29 and 30, and comprehension check question 1 to 4. So students, let's begin. So look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So students, what can you see in the picture? It is so calm, blue sea. See, the color of the sea is blue. The huts are ruined, isn't it? Okay, so let's come to the next para. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. So students, what happened before the waves, before the sea water could hit into the coast? What happened? The animals started to behave in some different way. And domestic animals, that means pet animals, as if they understood what was going to happen, and they run away and were founding safety place. And those people who were present there at that time, they saw that elephants were screaming, shouting, and they were searching for higher ground so that they could not be affected with the waves. Even dogs who likes to go outdoors, they refuse to go outdoors. And the flamingos, their low-lying breeding areas, that means the areas where they lay eggs, even they rushed into their shelters. They didn't went there. Okay, many people believe that animals possesses a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So animals have got sixth sense, and उनको पता चल जाता है कि अर्थ कब शेक होने वाला है, because they can feel the vibration of the earth. They can sense in approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. So before humans realize what's going on, what is going to happen, because the animals have got sixth sense, they can feel the vibration of the earth, they can understand what was going to happen. And same was the situation. The animals over there, they felt that something wrong was going to happen, and they started behaving in some different way. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. So we cannot say fixedly, we cannot say surely that animals have got sixth sense or not. But it is true that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean, the giant waves that entered the Indian Ocean, rolled through the Indian Ocean, it killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. So you can imagine, dozen of countries was affected because of this tsunami, and more than 150,000 people were killed. But in the news or newspaper, this animal's death has not been reported, but it is true that more than 150,000 people died because of the tsunami, and dozen of countries were being affected by it. Along India's Cuddledore coast, where thousands of people perished, that means India's Cuddledore coast here, thousands of people perished means died. They died because of this tsunami. Buffaloes, goats, these different animals, they were found unharmed. That means they were not affected. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals. So in Yala National Park, which is situated in Sri Lanka, there are different varieties of animals like elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. So 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park. So if it is a park, visitors will come to see the animals, and this tsunami occurred all of a sudden. So when the people went to the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka to see the animals, what happened? 60 people who came there to visit the animals at Yala National Park, they were also washed away. Okay. So what happened next? No animal carcasses were found. That means no animal's death report was found except for 2 buffaloes, not more than 2 buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit at Yala National Park. So before an hour before the tsunami hit at Yala National Park, what happened? People observed that 3 elephants were running away from that beach, from the Patanangala beach. They were running because they were feeling that something wrong was going to happen, and that is why they ran from there before an hour of the tsunami hitting the area. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast, Gale. So he lives on the coast. What did he say? That regularly he takes his dog for a daily walk on the beach. But and the dogs are always excited to go for the outing, for walking. But that day they refused, and because of their refusal, they were able to save their lives from tsunami. So students, let's do this comprehension check. Question number 1 to 4. Okay students, so this answers comprehension check, page number 30. We have to answer in a phrase or answer in very short. See, question number 1. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? So we have to tell how many animals died. Not so much animals were reported. So animals report was not given. Question 2. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? So 60 people and 2 water buffaloes died at the Yala National Park. Question number 3. What do people say about the elephants at Yala National Park? So they have seen elephants running away from the beach. Okay, they were running away from the beach because they were feeling that something wrong was going to happen. Last question students, question number 4. What did the dogs in Gale do? The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Okay, so hope students you have understood this chapter. Your home assignment for today is to note down these question answers in your fair notebooks and learn them. Have a good day. Thank you.